Let's draw a carnivorous plant cartoon. First, draw a big V shape for the mouth. Next, add some sharp teeth inside the V, make them small triangles. Then, draw a big circle for the head. Add a long oval shape under the head for the stem. Draw 2 leaves on the left and right side of the stem. Now, add some small circles on the head to make it look cuter. Next, let's color it. Color the teeth with yellow. Then color the head with red. After that, color the stem and leaves with green.